Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is October 6, 2023, and this is a trade review. Uh, this is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that's actually suitable for you. This week we've been talking about Apple as a seasonal stock, and what do you mean by seasonal stock? Seasonal stocks are stocks that had a time period or a season where it may tend to go up or it may tend to go down. Since I'm a bullish trader, I usually look for the ones that are going up, and Apple is in one of those seasons that it tends to go up. As I said in the beginning, this is not a trade recommendation. I am already in this trade. I already executed this day trade that I'm actually showing you. So please, this is no trade recommendation at all. So because I do not know what's going to happen in the future, I'm just showing you what I have already done. So let's just drop right over to the charts, and let me show you what I see happening right now, and what happened this morning, how I traded this thing this morning. The day trade, I will show you guys, exactly what I did, and how my mind was actually going on this thing, and show you what happens. So let's just jump right into it. And I want to back the chart. Again, what I'm looking at, I expect Apple to be going up around this time. I see a bottom. I'll use my drawing tool. Let me try to use my drawing tool here. I see a bottom, the way I like looking at the charts and looking at bottoms and stuff, right here. And I see confirmation of that. I see the market kind of went up. I thought I had confirmation here. Then the next day we ended up with this. Then another day we ended up with that. And then yesterday we had this. I finally got out of this range right here and got a little higher. And today I was expecting to get into this trade, but I had already heard the news that there might be a little news that might give the job port bad, and that's this right here. This is the job port announcement. So I kind of expected this down push that we got in the market and all, but I'm bullish on Apple. So what I waited for, let me erase some of this stuff. So what I waited for is Apple to do see how it opens. First of all, I had my 5-minute candle, this candle here. If you can see that, it was green. So now my next thing is I expect Apple to break its morning high and all. And it's just, okay, when do I want to get into this trade? And we are in the live market right now. That's what you're seeing happening there. So yes, on this option trade, yeah, I don't care. I made what I expected to make on what I wanted to make on the trade. Yeah, there was more on that particular. There's more on Apple. As I said, this is a seasonal stock where I expect it to continue going up. No trade recommendation. I don't know where it's going to stop. It can stop right here while I'm talking on the phone and turn back to the downside. So no trade recommendation. You trade your plan, your strategy of how you see the market. If you want to know what we're doing and how we're looking at this, contact us here at Right Side Trading. So, okay, back to this thing, because I know people like taking trades when they see I've ran into it before and all. And that's why I'm showing you the day trade that I've already completed, and it was good. So my entry was right here. What I want to do also, I want to zoom in a little bit here on this chart, and I want to zoom in before my entry and talk through this. So how my trade day starts off, I see a green candle starting off, green to the upside, but then I start seeing this. I see a red back down to the downside, and I've gotten where I've gotten patient, and I kind of wait until I see what I expect to see. So now I got this green candle, I got this doji, then I get this green candle right here, somewhat giving me a pattern. And then I got this candle right here, expecting my next candle to be a higher candle and kind of break this. But I ended up getting this right here. And I traded options on this, so I'm watching the option prices and all. So I'm trying to get the best entry that I've seen the prices. Actually, I'm watching the prices that I think I can get in at. And it pulls down here, and I actually enter somewhere on this candle right here. This was my entry candle and all. Then this happens. Then this candle, it gives me this right here. I see a little. I take a little bit of a heat, but I'm okay. Then I see this. Now I see my morning star on a small time frame near the bottom, up somewhere below the tops, on these small time frames. I'm used to seeing this type of stuff. Then it pulls back a little bit. Again, I didn't break many of my lows. I didn't break my low of my pattern. I did go above the high of my pattern, so I'm still kind of okay. And then the next candle, I get this. So now I'm feeling good, and I think that the market is going to do what I expected. Then it does that, and within a couple of candles, it's already to my target, and I'm out of my trade. I was in this trade for 30 minutes. That's 30 minutes worth of candles right there where I was in, and that's how quick I'm in and out of some of these trades that I actually do, and that's what I'm usually looking for. Let me just minimize this, and this here will show you the trade that I actually did. I got into this trade right around 10 o'clock, a little bit before 10 o'clock, got in at a price of 360. I got out of this trade at 10:30. That's supposed to be 10:30, or maybe a little bit before 10:30 at 4:15. So that's 40, 50, 55 cents. So that's based on the number of contracts I made. That was $500 right quick on this particular trade. And that's all I really want to share. Trading is not that difficult if you take the time and study the market. Read a few. Don't be afraid of reading a few books where you understand candle patterns. Read a few books to find the best indicators that actually work for you, and you can be successful at trading. And this is all I really want to share with you at this time. Hope you had a great one. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Have a good one. Bye.